see here extensive radial keratotomy cuts with Lasik flap area here, previously RK done. Very dense, irregular scar in the center, and the reflex is very irregular, difficult to define. Fantastic. So good, very great. So, Jonathan, we just finished doing LaZrPlastique, the scar peel on this very complex case of dense blinding scar on a Lasik flap with radial keratotomy. Can you tell any difference at all?
The red dot is very sharp.
Yes?
It looks clear around the red dots.
Any pain at all?
No, there's no pain.
Super. For doctors watching, if you can see up on the screen, there's a perfect circle of sight, as I call it. Despite his dense scar, the Lasik flap, the multiple radial keratotomy cuts in this brilliant young man. Jonathan, what do you say?
I say the arm sort of down inside the pupil.
Exciting?
Yeah.
Very happy for Jonathan. Safe travels back to Washington, D.C. Been a pleasure. Congratulations. All right, all set?
It's okay. It's hard to tell.
You saw that? You could tell the light already under the laser?
Yeah. And then it would blur. I'd say it would kind of become more like a diffuse white light. And then it would sharpen and then diffuse.
So even though he's not a vision case, immediately under the laser we can see the potential of this cornea. And like I had diagnosed for you, whoever did his LASIK on his RK, I think they went through the RK cuts, and that's the source of. You saw me putting the pizza pies together.
Yeah.
And every time the fluid was on, you were seeing, if you remember.
Yeah.
Right? Yes.
And the scarring, you were able to take off.
It's over. Center is gone. Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
He'll be able to show you the pictures of the scarring beforehand and
Because
then
I
now
wasn't
afterwards.
out. I
She
couldn't
didn't see
see
it.
that.
She didn't see the scarring
I'll show
beforehand.
you.
Yeah, I did.
So here we are, Helen. You wanted to see him. Can you tell a difference already? This is immediate after surgery. We just walked out of the laser room. Can you tell?
Yes, I can definitely.
This is
tell.
pre-op. This is right now.
It's completely clear. Yeah.
It's completely clear.
And imagine the difficulty level. He has multiple scars blinding along with the LASIK flap with multiple RK, and the scar is irregular from the side. You see that? And he has been seen through these spots. So basically blind with that eye. This is immediate post-op. You can still see his RK cuts. See
I was
the
gonna
center.
say, where are the RK cuts? You see
Sure.
those
All these
white
radials
lines?
are RK
All
cuts.
those white lines. Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. See that?
Wow, that's
You can tell.
incredible.
Jonathan?
Yeah. You can see the difference. There's
Immediate.
white. It's white on the left.
And you're just out of surgery. Any
Yeah.
pain at all?
No.
Has it been a pleasure?
It's amazing. Thank you so much.
All right. Good luck in your next one. We'll see you tomorrow.
Love it.
See you tomorrow.
Now your job, Jonathan, is
Yeah.
crazy. Crazy. I've given you a job literally 10 days. I want you to heal like nothing else, okay?
Right.
Please.